How to record laptop screen with video and audio. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can record your laptop screen with video and audio. So let's dive in. First you have to open your laptop window like this, and then you have to press Window, Shift and R on your laptop's keyboard, and then it's going to pop up with this menu. Now just select the area that you want to record from your screen, just snip it. I'm going to select this area, and once selected, click Start. And now you can choose if you want to use a microphone. You have to unmute by clicking it over here, and you can choose to mute the system audio if you want to by clicking over here. Once the timer is done, your recording is started. And once you're done with the recording, you simply have to click this Stop Recording option. You can delete it if you want and discard the recording. You can pause it by clicking over here. So I'm going to stop the recording by clicking over here, and it's going to open the snipping tool for me. Now you can open the snipping tool settings, and you can just snip it, or you can just save it by clicking over here, or you can just press Ctrl S on your keyboard and save this. On the other hand, you can click these three dots on the top right corner, open the settings over here, and choose the settings like I did. And now you can also open the folder and choose a folder and change it if you want to change the place where you want to save the videos to. Now click this cross over here, and you have to save the video in your laptop. And that's how you do it.